Hello students, now we are going to design logo for flight buddy, and we have done a mind map for the flight buddy, and we have got compass at the last, location at the last, globe at the last, and aeroplane at the last. So our mind map will follow these four concepts to complete the design flight buddy. So the client has referred us some logos like this four and this two. So this is a travel agency logo, so we have to work accordingly. So let's start. And I have also collected two images, as this name is from building from if later flight buddy, so we have to keep that in mind. So let's start firstly with the plane, and we can do it very easily. Just draw a shape like this. Drawing a plane is very easy task. Just follow what I did, and here just select one point and do like this. Just click one point and do like this. Okay, and now also need to focus that. Okay, so these are the first point we have to do, and the second part is just draw a shape like this, a triangle shape, more like triangle shape. And if I show you by rotating, you can see that this has a F letter in it. So we have drawn two things once. So for that I am just trying to do some adjustments here so that it feels like real plane, and also the F letter. Okay, so we can just think of it as a plane now. We can also try different alternatives, like doing adjustments like this one, and just delete the extra parts. We have to always try different things to see which one works or which one does not work. Okay, let's keep it as it is. Now let's unite it. But as you can see that the planes should be, let's check what I mean to you. The plane should be thinner to the left, so we have to adjust it like that. It should be like more thinner at the end, and we have to check it if it works or not. It's much closer, but the triangle is not looking good, so let's adjust it. Still it's much bigger. Let's just use shape builder, alt shift button, and now I feel like it's okay. And if you don't feel like, just keep a copy of that and just keep working. Okay, so let's unite it, all of them united, and use the delete anchor point tool and just delete the extra anchor points here. And now you can see that we have the aeroplane is ready, but the problem is there is we have to do some creativity, as this is not going to be the final logo. Maybe the tail is not looking like an aeroplane right now, but it will. So let's just cut out the tail part from here. And I'm trying to make the tail a location pin. So let's work accordingly. Let's just make it look like a location pin. Just minus front and doing the tail look like a location pin from here. So if we do the it look like location pin, we have to do some adjustments. Just keep a copy of it. Object path, offset path, minus font, and this is how it looks like right now. It's an aeroplane, and also with some location pins. So let's keep some windows and the aeroplane. Window should be much larger, and hopefully this works. Okay, but it doesn't feel like a aeroplane window, so I'm just keeping it as it is. Mm, so we have drawn the main shape here, but the main problem is that we have not yet made it look like more like airplane. So let's work on it to see which one works well with our pen style. So I'm just going to the mind map and going to take the front of the aeroplane like this. Just make a copy of it, keep it one color like red one. Try to adjust it with the design to see if it works or not. If it doesn't work, there is nothing to do. So let's just do it. Use shape builder tool to cut another parts. I'm sorry. Let's use shape builder tool and cut the other parts, and now let's make it fit like, and it's more like an aeroplane, I think. So just keeping I don't think, and it still feels like airplane. So what can we do? We can also do a mini plane wing here. this is how it looks like right now. So let's try if we can do more things here. Just trying to see which works and which doesn't work. We have completed our final main concept, and now we are just trying to see which one will align with our concept. So you can say this is an experimentation phase for us. So I feel like this is okay, and I don't need to make it more complicated right now. Unite it. We can do one more thing, is like using a shape like this. I'm just trying to do some experiments to see which one will go with our design. Mm, okay, if we keep that, just think I am keeping that, just keep a copy of that, and object expand appearance, object expand. Okay, and now you can see there is multiple shapes here. What I tried to do and what happened. Okay, let's try again. Object expand. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and we have to delete one from here, and now it's okay to go. So it feels like a location, and maybe, and if I can, but not 100% accurate. So this is also a thing to this is also a topic to think, and we have to focus on these references as they are considered to be the main part of the design, and there is nothing like this, so we can delete this or we can keep a copy of it below. And what we can do to make it look more like references, so we have the location pin, the aeroplane. We have to add somehow the if and be later if we can do. Maybe there is nothing like that where we can add the if and be later. Let's just write if and be later, use a font and do create outline and fill it with the one color for now. so that we can see it works or not. We are not just experimenting our steps to see if those are okay or not with our design. Using the free transformation tool to adjust it. um, we have if and be letter like this, we can keep it as it is there. I have just did Control Z to make it feel like that. So I have added the FB letter of the flight body. I've added a aeroplane and location pin as its tail. So let's keep think it's as a final logo. Maybe we can add something like this, so that it feels like flying. Okay. We can adjust it. Object path, offset path, trying to make it work with the logo. Okay, whatever we did, just good to go, I think. So let's see if it goes well with the without it and with it. Maybe we have one more option to go with, and that's I'm just showing you. Just see it. We have to make it more middle of it. Object path, offset path. Okay, and alt, and this is also an option, but this doesn't feel good. So we have three options right now. If we see, these are the three options. We have to select one from them, and I feel like the first one is okay and leave everything else. So if we do it minimal, there is no FB later visible, so this is also a worry here. So if we can do the if later somehow, yes we can do. Let's see if we can do that right now. Just keep a copy of it and just draw a shape like this. Adjust. So this feels like if later, and this feels like if later. Okay, so if later is the important part of the logo. So we have drawn the F-later also here. Let's make it similar on the other parts. Now let's see two options for this icon. Which one works okay with this? We can try three options, I think, here. One leaving that. As you can see, this also looks like F-later, but this one is much clearer than anything else. So I am just taking this icon and we can do as minimum as possible and it still looks the same. So now let's add their text like body. It could be poppings with italic vibe, and body should be medium or regular weight. Regular means italic weight. So let's keep it. So and this is the final logo till now, and let's make it create outline. And now it's time to fill it with the colors. As you have seen, these are the reference logos by the client, so we have to follow these colors schemes, but with a creative mind. Like we can use flight the color of this text. So just see what I'm doing. I'm just trying different alternatives to see which one will be good for our design. Okay, let's keep the location pin and keep it a little gray type color. So we have to keep the eye also the same color so that it feels a more looking like same color. So we are now going to test the color also to see which one is okay. Let's keep the color like this, and now here we will have only two colors. We will have only two colors right now, and here we are going to change the color of the flight to something like this, and for the other parts I'm going to use the color yellow or this dark color, and these all should have the same or similar type colors. Just trying to make the logo work, we can change the eye color to this. So this is how it looks for the second one. And we have to try one more color. Let's keep it a little upper. Let's try our last color, where we are going to use let's see which one will go well with our design. Okay, let's keep it, and I feel like this is really great. Light, very. We have changed the color so that it matches with it. According to these three, I have choose these two color, and I will send it to my client, and will say him to choice one among these two. Thank you so much for watching this video till here. We will come back with a new video soon.